Hi, I'm Raymond Camden, and welcome to BoxLang Quick Tips. In this particular tip, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to connect BoxLang to a database. Now, I've got MySQL already installed and set up and running. What do I need to do a simple database query in BoxLang? Well, the first step is to install the driver via a module, and that can be done at the command line. You can see on screen there, I have install-bx-module. In this case, the name of my module is bx-mysql. There's definitely modules for other database systems out there, so just figure out the one for yours and you are good to go. Once you've done that, you never have to run that again. Now, the second thing you need to do is tell BoxLang how to communicate to your database. Now, there's a couple of ways you could do that. If you're building like a web application, for example, you could define a data source at the application level that all of your code within that web app could then make use of. You can actually create multiple of them very, very easily. Now, in a simpler script, like a CLI script, you can actually define that inline. So I've actually done that in a little script here where I have a variable DSN that points to my MySQL installation. So you can see where I have the driver name, the host, port, etc. My username and password are coming from my environment, so I've not hard-coded it there. But once I have this, how do I use it? Well, BoxLang provides a function called query execute that makes it super easy to send a query to a database. In this case, I have a query, select title posted from post. My second argument would be any bound parameters. I'm not doing that in this query, so I don't need it. And the third argument just allows me to pass my data source variable that I defined up there to the query. Now, once I have that, I have a query object back. I can loop over it. In this particular example, I'm using a for loop for post in post, and I'm just going to print out each particular title and each particular posted date. So I will run that with BoxLang test1.bx, and then bam, that is it. And just like one or two lines of code here, I am talking to a database, I am working with a query object, and it couldn't get any easier than that. Enjoy.